Yeah, this is Gene, Go Dawgs Roof. Getting ready to do a roof rejuvenation. We throw one application. This roof has been washed, cleaned, and dried. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a bit of a windy day here in Atlanta. I'm gonna turn this around, let you guys get a look at the roof. It'll let me do that with this camera. Post-application, roof's still a little wet. It's really taking the treatment very well. You can see the original color of the roof starting to come out. The sun's really helping. I really laid it in thick. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's got a nice clean smell, no petroleum, none of that gasoline smell that goes with some of these other products. Wash, rejuvenate. We saved this roof and extended its life at least another 6 to 10 years. This roof has been rejuvenated. Couldn't be happier with the application. Looks great. It's going into the matting as we speak right now. Take care of the molecular compound of that. This roof feels better under my feet right now. It's nice and soft. There's no brittleness to it. I'm able to walk it. We're gonna let this sit for a day. Get some final shots. This is what we're talking about right here. You see how it's still got a little glaze on it. Couldn't be happy. Go Dawgs.